We move through our days, a current of tasks and obligations pulling us forward. The city hums with a relentless energy, and we match its pace, moving from one point on the map of our day to the next. Yet, even in the busiest of moments, amidst the noise and the rush, something inside still notices. There is a quiet observer within us, a part of our consciousness that is aware of the things we've left unresolved. It's a gentle whisper beneath the surface of our thoughts. We can try to silence it. A person may fill the schedule completely, stacking meetings and commitments like bricks in a wall, hoping to build a fortress against introspection. We convince ourselves that productivity is the cure for unease, but our inner life cannot be outrun. It still registers the subtle ache of sadness, the profound weight of fatigue that sleep doesn't fix, the fog of confusion about our direction, or the deep, quiet longing for a life that feels more authentic, more connected. These feelings don't vanish just because our calendar is full. And so, our inner truth waits. It waits with infinite patience, not with judgment, but with a gentle, steady presence. It waits in the quiet moments between appointments, in the reflection in the window, in the stillness of the early morning before the world wakes up. It doesn't demand or shout. It simply is. It is the part of you that knows your own heart. It holds the wisdom you've gathered, the lessons you've learned, and the dreams you've held. It is your most honest and compassionate guide, always ready to be heard. The invitation is always there, to pause, to breathe, to turn your attention inward, not as a chore, but as an act of kindness to yourself. So ask yourself, in this quiet moment, what have you been ignoring inwardly? What feeling, what thought, what desire has been patiently waiting for your attention? You don't need to fix it or solve it right away. For now, just allow yourself to notice. Simply acknowledge its presence. That is where the conversation begins.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.